The jaguar, a majestic big cat native to the Americas, is renowned for its sleek physique, powerful jaws, and distinctive rosette-patterned fur. As apex predators, jaguars play a crucial role in maintaining ecosystem balance. Unfortunately, habitat loss and poaching threaten their survival, highlighting the urgency of conservation efforts. Renowned for its strength and agility, it is the largest feline in the Americas and third largest in the world, after tigers and lions. With its distinctive golden coat covered in rosette patterns, the jaguar is an apex predator, adept at hunting a variety of prey including deer, capybaras, and even caimans.